Hey, this is Professor Taylor. I am going to show you how to download NetBeans Integrated Development Environment, IDE, for class so that you can work with Java. It also lets you work with JavaScript and PHP and some other languages. So this is the download site for NetBeans. You can just go to Google, type in NetBeans, and it should take you to netbeans.org. When you get there, you'll see this particular page for the download because it should automatically detect the type of device that you're on. I'm on a Mac, so I'm downloading the Mac version, the latest version, and I'm downloading Java and NetBeans at the same time as a bundle. You can do it directly from the site, or you can go to Java's website. Again, another Google search, type Java and NetBeans. It'll take you immediately to the download page. This will allow you to either pick the exact Java version of the exact version of Java that you're looking for. It also will let you be able to download Java and NetBeans as a bundle, which is basically what we're doing. And there's other options for you. You can do Enterprise Edition. You can do all type of you have all type of options that you can do. So let me go back to this one. Download as a bundle. When I download as a bundle, it's going to take me to the page on Oracle because Oracle, owns Java. So they have access to this whole environment. And NetBeans is open source, but it also has a lot of sponsorship and backing from Oracle. So I'm looking for the version that allows me to download it for my Mac. Now, again, if you are using a Linux operating system, pure Linux, like Ubuntu, you're going to download one of these versions. Probably the 64 would be fine. You could download the 64 if you're using Ubuntu or another version of Linux. If you're using Windows, depending on the operating system for your Windows, you can do 64 or 86, but I think 64 would be fine for this course. Again, I'm using a Mac, so I'm doing the Mac OS X 64-bit, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. Oh, okay, so look, if you don't accept the license first, it's going to give you an error. So I'm going to go ahead and accept the license. Go ahead and do the download, and it's going to go ahead and start automatically downloading for me, and I'll come back once that's done. Okay, once it downloads, you'll see a file in your downloads folder that should say NetBeans in the version. For Mac, it's always going to say a DMG for a new application. Once you double click it, you'll see the icon, well, the box to tell you to kind of unpackage this application so you can use it for the first time. You click on that box, double click it, and it's going to ask you some questions about your configuration and running it. You click continue, and now it takes you to this is the NetBeans wizard to install the software onto your device. So you do continue, make sure you're agreeing to the terms. You can decide the location where you want to put something. So I'm going to pause this, put in my information. Okay, so I put in the password for the administrative privileges I have on my computer. Now it's allowing me to download. If you don't have administrative rights on your computer, you're not going to be able to install the software. You're going to find the person who owns the computer and have them do it for you. So I wait for these to happen, and then when it's done, I can move forward. Okay, after your software successfully installs, you go through the wizard. It was able to load everything okay. You'll get this message that the installation was good to go. So you can go ahead and close it. You can choose to, once you close it, move it to the trash or keep the image. It's up to you, depending on the space in your computer, what you want to do. And so in order to go ahead and open NetBeans for the first time, I'm going to go to Finder, and I'm going to open Finder, and then I'm going to go to my applications and find my NetBeans folder. So I'm in the applications. Here's my NetBeans folder. I'm going to open that, And then there is my NetBeans, the newest version. So I'm just going to double click that so that it can open. You can drag it to your dock station so you have a shortcut. It's up to you. So now it shows that NetBeans has successfully been installed onto my MacBook Pro. As soon as this page opens up, it's going to open up NetBeans for the very first time. And there you go. It's asking me to give usage statistics back. I don't really do that, so I'm going to say no thank you. But when you open it for the first time, you'll see basically a screen like this. If you click on Learn and Discover, there's tutorials there, different things. The next video will go through creating the first application, which is Hello World, and then we'll get way more